Say like for now we are focusing on present tense, simple and continuous. So whenever you are following any script or you are doing any movie scene, like for example we are going to learn uh, present continuous and present simple from this video. So any video or any clip or anything you are watching, focus on one topic. So first listen and pause, listen to the video for at least 2 minutes or 3 minutes, not more than that. Okay, any clip you're watching, watch it for 1 or 2 minutes maximum. Okay, at beginner's level. Then after that, write the script, what he's saying, write it down. After writing down, focus on one thing. Like suppose in this video, we are focusing on present tense. Same thing, like in this conversation 7, I'm going to put this conversation in the description box. And for the entire lesson, students, what you can do, you can subscribe to Niharika's English Tubers. Okay, there you can see all the conversations in the description box, and you can learn and practice from in there. So see, for example, here also we are going to focus on simple tense. So after every conversation, you will see there is a grammar focus. So the grammar focus is based on the conversation what we have learnt. So whatever the conversation is here, that what we are going to do just now, it's based on present simple tense. And same thing we are going to do in the video as well. Like for example, see, first let's do the conversation, then we'll do the video. I work in the afternoon. तो हम वो कहाँ work कर रहे हैं? In the afternoon. तो morning के लिए आप ये symbol रख सकते हो, in the morning, in the afternoon, at night, sorry, in the evening. Okay, make different actions for different expressions. So that way you remember, okay, I will be meeting you in the afternoon at 2 o'clock. Okay, do actions with every dialogue. Like for example, I need to go. So do like this, to go. So you understand, go के साथ हमें to use करना है. मुझे कहाँ जाना है? I need to go to bank downtown. I need to go to SBI bank downtown. I need to go to HDFC bank downtown. नीचे है, downtown में है वो बैंक. Uptown and downtown. Please, I'm late for a meeting. For a meeting के लिए ये symbol use करो. मैं किसके लिए late हो रहा हूँ? For a meeting. Got it? Do actions, students. No problem. Okay, do this. No problem. What time is your meeting? कितने बजे है आपकी meeting? In 10 minutes. तो अगर आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हो 10, तो try to do in 10 minutes. So do this action. In 10 minutes. I don't usually work in the morning. In the morning में मैं usually काम नहीं करता हूँ. Really? What time do you usually go to work? तो go to work के लिए do this. Go to work and try to take steps. तो आपको समझ में आएगा. Go to work, go to the market, go to the temple, go to the class. Got it? I work in the afternoon. I start at 1. कितने बजे मैं start करता हूँ? At 1. I work in the afternoon. That's pretty late. कितना late है? Quite late. That's an expression. Underline expressions with or phrases with purple color. Okay. See, I have used different colors here, as you can see. Red color. With red color, I have marked all the subject. I, you, Christine. Then verbs I have marked with green color. Go, work, eat. Okay. Now, do you like to work in the afternoon? Question. Do you like? Present tense में question है. Do you like to work in the afternoon? Yes, I do. Okay. Yes, I do like to work in the afternoon. I work better. Better के लिए आप ये use करो. Better. I work better in the afternoon. I finished at 7 or 8. So 7 के लिए use this. 7 or 8. Okay? Do that action. I go to home and eat dinner at around 10:30. इसके आसपास मैं अपना डिनर ले लेता हूँ. I go to home at this time. At around 10:30. जरूरी नहीं है आप यहाँ 2 preposition use करो. जो आप एक भी preposition use भी कर सकते हो. I eat around 10:30. Okay? Wow. That's pretty early, yeah? You have dinner late. Oh, sorry. Here he is having dinner late. He goes to bed early. I go to bed every night at 8 o'clock. I go to bed. So for bed, you can do this action. Or I sleep every night by 8. Really? That seems so early. Seems matlab aisa dikhta hai. That seems so early, right? So here he has used all present verbs. You can see, like in here, see these work becomes works, take becomes takes, study becomes studies, teach becomes teaches, do becomes does. And see they have used how they have used it with I and you. We use work, take, study. I study, you work, you go, you have, okay, you have a remote, she has a remote. तो she और he के साथ हम has use करते हैं. She does. She doesn't know English. Okay. So she works, he works, she takes, she studies, she doesn't know English, she goes to the church, you go to the church, she has. So this is how we use present verbs with I and you and with he and she. Is it clear? Very simple. Now see, for example here. In here, time expressions. I get up. I get up early in the morning. I get up at 7. At 7. Use kiya उन्होंने. I leave work early. I leave for work early. I get home late at night. So these are the prepositions they have used. In, at, on. I stay up until midnight. Midnight means आधी रात. Okay. I stay up until midnight on Fridays. Generally Friday को लोग midnight तक जगते हैं. Why? Because weekend है next day. Saturday, Sunday, it's off. Right? So they go to clubs. They go for a movie. They watch a movie. I wake up afternoon on Sundays. So these are the expressions about time. At 7 o'clock, at 1, around 7, on weekends, in the morning, in the afternoon. So this is how we use prepositions of time. These are all time expressions. Got it? Now see, how do we use the same thing in present tense?
For every correct answer. Ready? Let's go.
Ready? Let's go.
I never work very hard.
I never work very hard. So whenever you do conversation, make sure after the conversation you play a video related to that. Like suppose अभी हमने इसमें present tense learn किया. I eat early. I get up early. I sleep at 7 o'clock. I work at 1. Everything is in present simple. So watch a video related to, उसी से related video देखो ताकि आपको और अच्छे से याद हो वो conversation और अच्छे से आपको समझ में आए कि structure क्या है. Like for example, I never work very hard. Let's see what tense this is.
Present simple.
Correct.
So this is what? Present simple. Okay, because there was no ing in there. I am sitting at home. मैं बैठा हूँ घर पर. I am sitting at home. This is present continuous. Why? Because there is ing. Sit becomes sitting.
I'm sitting at home.
Present continuous.
Correct.
Correct.
Oh, are you having dinner?
Are you having dinner? So again the question is in present tense. Are you having dinner? Are you having lunch? Are you going with me? Are you taking this? ये सारे present tense में हैं.
Present continuous.
Present continuous.
Correct.
Correct.
He doesn't know.
He doesn't know English. She doesn't know French. She does know. Okay? She और he के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? Does and doesn't. Very important.
Present simple.
Present simple.
Correct.
Do
Correct.
you live here?
Do you live here?
Present simple.
Present simple.
Correct.
करेक्ट.
She isn't coming home today.
She isn't. तो is not क्या बन जाता है? Isn't. She isn't coming home today. आज वो नहीं आ रही है. Today. जब भी हम आज की बात करें, today, now, just now. Present tense.
Present continuous.
Correct.
Correct. Present
Tell
continuous.
them, Leslie.
Well done. The present simple is used for habits.
So for what the present simple is used for? Okay, in these all situations, present simple is used. Habits, okay, permanent situation and truth. Something that's happening. Okay, I am teaching right now. ये truth है. मैं पढ़ा ही रही हूँ, right? मैं कुछ और नहीं कर रही हूँ. Yes, I am teaching you. Am I? Yes, I am teaching you. So something that is permanent. Permanent situation के लिए use होता है. Something that is truth. Third personal affirmative, singular. She has long hair. He has short hair. Affirmative है, उसके छोटे बाल हैं. पता है मुझे उसके छोटे बाल हैं. Okay? She has a remote. उसके पास है remote. Affirmative. I know this thing. Use don't, doesn't in questions and negatives. She doesn't know. जो मैं बोलती हूँ उसको नहीं पता. Again, ये present tense के बारे में बात कर रहा है. Okay? Does she know English? Present tense. Okay, so there's where we use present tense. So everything is all about present tense. So this way, from a clip and a conversation, you understand one topic very nicely कि मुझे present tense कैसे, कब, कहाँ use करना है और मुझे कैसे बोलना है. तो उसी से related video देखो आप. That way you will understand the structure very nicely and you will never make mistakes. Okay? Got it?